How to mirror the Apple Watch on the iPhone screen running iOS 18. So here you can see whatever I do on my Apple Watch can mirror to the iPhone. So first, let's go back to the home screen, and then we swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Now in the control center, tap on the add button at the top. Then we go down and tap on add a control. Next in the control list, we scroll down and go to the motor accessibility section. Then tap on Apple Watch Mirror, and that will add the widget to the control center. After that, we swipe up to close the edit mode. Once it is added to the control center, you can tap on the mirror watch, and here it will attempt to connect to the Apple Watch. Once it is connected, you can use your iPhone screen to work with your Apple Watch. So here I can swipe it up or down, and whatever I do on the Apple Watch also get mirrored back to the iPhone. And here, even on the buttons, you can tap on the button on the side, so that will open up the control center on the Apple Watch, as if you are pressing the physical button on your Apple Watch here. You can also use the crown button to scroll up and down on the iPhone screen as well. And here I can scroll up or down. I can tap on that button. I can tap on that to go back to my clock face, and I can tap on that to go into the app screen. I can go into settings, so I can scroll down or up. And I've noticed that if I scroll on my screen on the iPhone, there is a little bit of lagging. However, if I uh, work on my Apple Watch, it will mirror pretty fast back to the iPhone. And that's it. That is how you can add it. How you can add the widget to the control center, and from the control center you can mirror. You can turn on Apple Watch mirroring. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.